A numerical integration and differentiation, Stirling's derivative formula. A derivative using Stirling's formula. So by using Stirling's formula, we can find the first derivative as well as second derivative. First derivative formula it is 1 upon h into the bracket 1 upon 2 into the bracket delta y0 plus delta y minus 1 bracket complete minus sign 1 upon 12 into the bracket delta cube y minus 1 plus delta cube y minus 2 bracket complete plus 1 upon 60 bracket into the bracket delta raised to 5 y minus 2 plus delta raised to 5 y minus 3 bracket complete plus so on. This is the first derivative using Stirling's formula. Second derivative formula it is 1 upon h square into the bracket delta square y minus 1 minus 1 upon 12 into delta raised to 4 y minus 2 plus so on. For this we will take one example. Find the value of f dash 900 first derivative as well as second derivative f double dash 900 using Stirling's formula from the following data. Values of x and y it is given. X it is 0, 300, 600, 900, 1200, 1500, 1800 and corresponding to this values of y it is given. Now we are using the Stirling's formula and we have to find the first derivative and second derivative of 900. Now this 900 it is the central value. It is in between all these values. When we are finding the derivative of the central value, then we are using the Stirling's formula. So first derivative is dy by dx, x is equal to 900, 900 it is at the central position. Then we have to use the Stirling's formula. Now we have to write the difference. So you can write the values of x as well as you can write the values of y. First difference delta y, then delta square y, delta cube y, delta raised to 4y, delta raised to 5y, delta raised to 6y. Now we have to find the difference. So 900 it is in middle value of the table. Now how to find the first difference? So delta y it is 149 minus 135 it gives 14. 157 minus 149 it gives 8. 183 minus 157 which gives 26. Then 201 minus 183 it gives 18. 205 minus 201 it gives 4. 193 minus 205 it gives minus 12. So this is the first difference. Then second difference delta square y. Procedure it is again same. 8 minus 14 it is minus 6. 26 minus 8 it is 18. 18 minus 26 it is minus 8. 4 minus 18 it is minus 14. Minus 12 minus 4 it is minus 16. Then third difference delta cube y. 18 minus minus 6 it is 24. Minus 8 minus 18 it is minus 26. Minus 14 minus into the bracket minus 8 minus 6 minus 16 minus into the bracket minus 14 which gives minus 2. Fourth difference minus 26 minus 24 it is minus 50. Minus 6 minus into the bracket minus 26 it is a 20. Minus 2 minus into the bracket minus 6 it is a 4. Fifth difference 20 minus into the bracket minus 50 it gives 70. 4 minus 20 it is minus 16. Last difference it is 6 difference it is minus 16 minus 70 it is minus 86. Now if you see the formula, now within the formula there are delta y minus 1 then delta y0. How we can find these different terms? So this is the central position 900. So from this you can draw on dotted line like this. So this is the x0 corresponding to this value 183 it is y0. Above this dotted line it is delta y minus 1, below this delta y0. Within this center line it is a delta square y minus 1. Then for the third difference above the dotted line it is delta cube y minus 2, this is 26. Below this dotted line it is minus 6, it is delta cube y minus 1. Now this 20, it is a fourth difference, it is a delta raised to 4 y minus 2. Then fifth difference above the dotted line we will get here delta 5 y minus 3, and below this dotted line it is a delta raised to 5 y minus 2. Now we have to write the formula. First difference, formula for the first derivative, you can say dy by dx, x is equal to 900, it is at the middle of the table. Then we have to use the Stirling's formula, is equal to 1 upon h into the bracket 1 upon 2 summation of delta y0 and delta y minus 1 minus 1 upon 12 summation of delta cube y minus 1 plus delta cube y minus 2 plus 1 upon 60 summation of delta raised to 5 y minus 2 plus delta raised to 5 y minus 3. So all the values are known. Again I will explain. So 900, it is the x0 corresponding to this one it is y0 183. Above the dotted line, first difference we will get delta y minus 1, it is a 26. Below this dotted line we will get delta y0. Second difference, on this dotted line we will get one term, it is minus 8, it is a delta square y minus 1. Then above this dotted line we will get here delta cube y minus 2, below this delta y minus 1. Then 20, it is a fourth difference, it is a delta raised to 4 y minus 2. And center line, this is center line, above the center line we will get here fifth difference, it is delta raised to 5 y minus 3, and below we will get here delta raised to 5 y minus 2. All these values you can put in this equation. So it is 1 upon h, it is a 300. So difference here, h, it is the interval it is the same. 600 minus 300, it is a 300, or you can say 900 minus 600, it is a 300. So 1 upon h, it is 1 upon 300 into the bracket 1 upon 2. First term, it is the first difference, delta y0 and delta y minus 1. So this is the center line. Above the center line we have delta y minus 1 and delta y0. So summation of this rectangular. Then third difference, minus 1 upon 12 into summation of delta y cube y minus 1 plus delta cube y minus 2. Summation of this third, minus 6 plus minus 26. And last term it is 1 plus 1 upon 60. Fifth difference, summation of delta raised to 5 y minus 2 plus delta raised to 5 y minus 3. So rectangular portion, summation of this. So you can see the formula. So first term, it is delta y0, the first difference. First difference you have to make the summation above the center line 26, 18. Then leave this delta square y. So first difference, third difference, and we have to take the fifth difference. Summation of terms which is above and below the center line. So first difference, third difference, and fifth difference. So all these values you can put in this equation, and first derivative, it is answer, it is 0.0852222. Then formula for the second derivative, it is 1 upon a square into the bracket delta square y minus 1 minus 1 upon 12 delta raised to 4 y minus 2. H, it is the same, 1 upon 300 bracket square. Now for the second derivative we have to take values for the even difference. So this is the second difference. So this value, it is on the center line, it is minus 8. Again fourth difference, it is 20. We have to take this 20. So these values you can put in this equation, and final answer for the second derivative is minus 1.07 into 10 raised to minus 4. Thank you for watching.